Hello and welcome to my video series on the SOA problem set from Exam P. We're looking at number 5 right now, and I will read this off. An auto insurance company has 10,000 policyholders. Each policyholder is classified as young or old, male or female, and married or single. Of these policyholders, 3,000 are young, 4,600 are male, and 7,000 are married. The policyholders can also be classified as 1,320 young males, 3,010 married males, and 1,400 young married persons. Finally, 600 of the policyholders are young married males. We're going to calculate the number of the company's policyholders who are young, female, and single. So in order to solve this problem, one of the best strategies will be to create the appropriate Venn diagram. And this problem is very similar to problem 1 in this problem set. So I'm going to go over to, I'm going to add in a Venn diagram here that fits the description that we're given. So I have intersecting circles that fit the categories we have, young, married, and male. And we're going to do something very similar to what we did in the first problem. And we're going to start with the middle category that is the intersection of all three sets. And that is 600 young married males, which is going to go in this region right here. And then we kind of work our way outwards. Let's work our way backwards through the text. The last one is 1,400 young married persons. That includes this 600. And in order to add up to 1,400, we need this space above it to be 800 people. Okay, the one before that is 3,010 married males. So that is going to, and again, there's already 600 in that category. So we subtract that from 3,010 and we get 2,410 in this space right here. We have 1,320 young males. Again, it already has 600 in that category, so that means there must be a remaining 720 in this space here. Next, I go to the category of marrieds, which is 7,000. We already have three numbers in there, 800, 600, and 2,410. And they have to all add up to 7,000. I've already done the calculation here, which you can do on your own. And this should be 3,190 in this space here. Similarly, we can take the category of male, of which there are 4,600, and subtract the numbers that are already there. And that leaves 870 that must be in this space. That makes all that circle add up to 4,600. And in our last circle, of those that are young, we will have 880. 880, make that look right. 880 in that space in the circle to make all those add up to 3,000. Now, this does not entirely add up to 10,000. This actually adds up to 9,470 within the three circles. Those numbers in the circles that I have add up to 9,470, which means there must be 530 in this space outside of here. So what we want is the number of company policyholders who are young, female, and single. Now, as it turns out, we don't actually need that 9,470 and that 530 figure, because we actually have, within the young, we have 880. That is the number, and that comprises all of those that are within the young category and also outside the married and outside the male category, because we need young, female, in other words, not male, single, therefore not married. So we need the space, we need the number that is circled in red, which is 880, and that is answer choice D.